Hey there, it's Kieran here from Restoration Rank, and today I'm going to be showing you how to create a custom Google review link so you can generate more reviews from your existing clients, right? So here's the thing. Very oftentimes we, of course, want to grow the reputation of our restoration business, of our local business, right? And one of the ways that we can do this that is extremely powerful is by collecting reviews from our previous and past satisfied clients. So what do we do after we've done some work for them? We say, hey, would you go and leave us a Google review, right? Sometimes they do, sometimes they don't. You know, it's kind of a crapshoot. However, what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how you can create a custom Google review link that has your website domain address in it. So it looks very professional, it looks very nice. And as soon as you've done some work for a client, or as soon as you've completed a project or completed a job, what you can do is you can then reach out by way of email or by text message or however you want. And you can send this really nice looking link that looks like it's going to your website. And when people click on it, boom, it takes them directly to an area where they can leave your company a Google review. Okay, so let's get into it and let me show you how specifically you're able to do this. Now, I'm going to show you a few different ways because obviously we're using a system on the website. I'm going to be showing you an example on there. We're using a system that you may not be using, but I'm going to show you how you can do it regardless of what system you're using for your website or what plugin you're using or what have you. You will be able to implement this. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started. So right here, we're just on the Restoration Rank page, but if we pop over here, oops, let me just quickly go here. So right here, we are on Synergy Claims Consultants, okay? So these are, it's a consulting group, really great set of guys. It's Ryan and Zach. They're really awesome. And what they essentially do is they're consultants for restoration companies. Ryan's on the board of the IICRC, just a really great set of guys. And I would strongly recommend speaking to them if you're looking for help in growing your restoration business and improving your processes. Okay, so we're on their website right now. What we're going to do is we're going to use their website to create this custom Google review link. So of course we've got, you know, their URL right here. Now, here's the thing. Synergy Claims Consultants is actually a national brand. It's a national company. They serve the whole of the US and actually Canada as well. Okay, so because of the fact they're national, up until this point, there wasn't really much point in them having a Google My Business profile. However, we discussed it and I said, like, you know, you're still going to get a lot of benefit from having one, even if you're a national business. So we literally just set up their Google My Business profile. We just got it verified. And what we can do is let's go ahead and let's search them out. Okay, so we've got them right here, Synergy Claims Consultants. We'll hit enter, right? And here we go. They pop up. So we can see that we've got this info box right here. Okay, now, what we're going to do, the process that we're going to use is we're going to use a plugin, okay, or an add-on to Google Chrome to get the information that we need to create the Google review link. It's important that when you are finding your company, you are actually typing in your company name so you're seeing this info box right here. What you don't want to do is you don't want to type in something like, you know, restoration company, you know, New York, right? And what we get is we get this list, right? We don't want this, we don't want to see multiple options. We really, for this to work properly, we need to be able to see the info box on the side. So what you should do, you type in your company name exactly, you know, and if you can't find it with your company name, certainly add the city, you know, the state or province, even the country, and that will you know, ensure that you do pull up the right business, right? So we see the info box. And what we're going to do is we're going to use an add-on or an integration to Google Chrome, and it's called GatherUp. Okay. And what this does is GatherUp is going to generate the important links for your Google My Business profile. I love GatherUp. I use it every single day. And you can see it right here. So if I just click right here, boom, right? We can see it's GatherUp, and you can just search it online and grab it, add it to Google Chrome, and you can see here it's given us 2 links. Now this link right here, this is what is called a Google GMB CID URL. Okay, this is the exact link to your Google My Business profile. This is very, very important. It's not going to be used in this video, but if you click on it, boom, it is going to take us directly to the Synergy Claims Consultant Maps URL section. Okay, so this is a very, very important link that I use a lot when we're doing SEO for clients. However, beneath it, you're going to see the Google Write a Review URL. Okay, so we can see it's got Write Review right there in it. And what this will do is this is going to take us directly to the area where we can leave a review for Synergy Claims Consultants. So what we're going to do is we'll just open this in a new tab, and we can immediately see where does it take us. Boom, takes us right to their page, and look what happens next. Review screen pops up, and there we go. Right, we can leave a review right here. So this is really powerful, because what we can then do is we can set it so when somebody types in a specific URL on your website, they are then taken right here, right to this page where they can immediately leave you a review. So let's go ahead and get into this. So what we're going to do is we're going to come back here to the GatherUp, and I'm going to just copy this URL. Okay, then what I'm going to do is I'm going to pop over here to their website, and we're going to just go to the dashboard. And in this case, we're using WordPress, but it doesn't really matter what content management system you're using, whether you're using Squarespace, whether you're using, like Weebly, it doesn't matter. You can set up what is called a 301 redirect. Okay, now I'm going to show you how to do it. It's super simple, but in this case, we're using a plugin called Rank Math, and Rank Math is an SEO plugin. A lot of people use Yoast, a lot of people use all-in-one SEO, but essentially this is a plugin that allows you to integrate SEO and really get a lot of control over the SEO on a website. So with regards to their website, like I said, we've set up Rank Math, but I'm going to show you how to do it if you're not using Rank Math too. So what I'm going to do though is we'll pop down here, we'll go to redirections, okay? And when we go here, okay, what we're going to do is we are going to just add a redirection, okay? So there we go. I've clicked add a redirection. Now here's the thing. So this is the source URL. So this is the place that you want somebody to click when, like this is the review link that you ideally want somebody to click on. This is the pretty link we were talking about, okay? So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to take synergyclaimsusa.com, okay? And I'm going to pop this in here. And what I'm going to do after this is I'm going to use the term review us, okay? So we've got review us, there we are. Okay, I'm going to select ignore case because we want it to ignore upper and lower case. And then here we get to select our destination URL. Where do we want them to go? And what we're going to do is we're just going to click, oops. Sorry. So we're going to take this Google Write a Review link, right? Copy that. We'll put this over here. There we go. And then we want to make sure that the redirection type is set to a 301 permanent move. Okay, 301 permanent move. And we go click add redirection. Boom, it is done. Okay, so we can see it right here. So now if we actually just pop out of here, okay, what we can do now is let's just go ahead and give this a try. Let's go, Synergy Claims USA, and we'll go /review-us. Boom, there we go. Click enter, and let's see where we go. Beautiful, right? So the nice thing about this is now that we've got this, okay, now that we've got this review link, right, we can then put this link that we've got, so that would be the, Synergy, there we go, right? So we're just gonna, oops. So we've got this link right here. So now in an email, what we can do is we can say, hey, it was Mr. and Mrs. Smith, it was an absolute pleasure working with you. You know what I mean? We really hope you enjoyed, you appreciated the level of quality and the work that we did on your project. Whatever it is that you want to say. It says, would you, one of the ways that we're able to, help more people in the community with projects like yours is through the many, reviews and recommendations that we get from our already satisfied client base. Would you please leave us just an honest review of your experience dealing with our company? Okay, and then boom, you just put this link here. Just say click the link below. They click this link, and where does it take them again? Perfect, right over there to leave a review. So it's very, very nice. Now, here's the thing. So as I was showing you, there is the possibility that you're not using rank math. In fact, a very high possibility you're not using that plugin. However, I would strongly recommend it. It's a great plugin. But let's just say, you're not currently using it. Well, what we can do is if you're using WordPress, you can actually just search for a plugin. It's a very lightweight plugin, meaning it doesn't slow your site down or anything like that. And we're just right here. Okay, you're just going to get this plugin called Redirection. Okay, and again, you're just going to, it's very, very simple to set up. You just go to your settings, you find Redirection, and you just select the 301 redirect option. You can create the review link to whatever you want, right? Now, here's the thing. Let's say you currently are working with a web designer, right? And they do everything for you, or you've got, a web hosting guy or gal, right? In that case, what you can do is you can certainly just explain this to them, or just send them this video and just say, hey, listen, I want you to create me a custom Google review link. And they should be able to do it for you in approximately, 4 minutes, like I was able to do it right here. Okay. But again, it's very, very powerful. It looks very, very professional. And the beautiful thing is you can then use that anywhere you're doing marketing, anywhere you want to generate reviews. You can use this as a strategy to really build up those local Google reviews. And here's the thing, you can do it with any type of review if you really wanted to, right? The applications for this are crazy. There's so many different ways that you can implement this. But again, we understand the importance of Google reviews. We understand that, when people are looking for a restoration company, they are reading those reviews, right? And very oftentimes they're scrolling to the bad ones first, and they're reading like, what were these people's bad experiences when they worked with this company, right? So this is a way that you can really just generate a lot of reviews, and for it to come across very, very professional. It looks very nice. It works very well, and it's so simple, but it's extremely powerful for you to do, right? So I can't recommend this enough. We're going to be doing some more videos on different ways you can utilize reviews in your restoration business, but I hope you liked the video, and we will chat with you in the next one. This is Kieran from Restoration Rank. We'll speak to you soon. Bye-bye.